Welcome back to a series of visual presentations in which now we will try to discuss the research topic and the research title. So before we proceed with the guidelines on how you can formulate a research topic and a research title, let us first define what is a research topic. Okay, so a research topic class, it actually pertains to the foundation that will serve as the beginning of your research work for you to achieve the desirable goal. And what is that desirable goal, class? So that desirable goal is actually to help our community. Okay, we formulate research topic to help our community. And take note, class, of this clue word. We have beginning. So meaning to say, class, the formulation of your research topic will also serve as the first step in designing your research study. Okay? The formulation of research topic will serve as the beginning part of formulating your research study. And without further ado, let us try to narrow down the 5 guidelines for you to choose a research topic. Starting with the first one, let us have this image. A research topic should be, a research topic should be observable. So whenever we say observable, class, it means that the research topic should be perceived by our 5 major senses. And what are these 5 major senses? So we have the sense of sight, sense of hearing, sense of smell, sense of touch, and sense of taste. Okay? So a research topic should be or must be perceived by our 5 major senses. And take note, class, that observation plays an integral part in our data collection procedure. Okay? It plays an integral part in our data collection procedure. Why? Because, class, if we don't have any observation, it means that we cannot obtain any data. Okay? Again, a research topic must be observable, meaning to say it must be perceived by our 5 major senses so that we can collect data. Okay? Next, we have a research topic should be factual. Okay, a research topic should be factual. So what do we mean by factual? Whenever we say factual, class, it means that it must be supported by empirical knowledge. Okay? And what is empirical knowledge? So empirical knowledge, it is actually a kind of knowledge based on observation and based on experimentation. So this is a knowledge obtained from observing and experimenting. Okay, which means, class, if a knowledge is based on observation and experimentation, it means that the knowledge that we have or the knowledge that we accumulate is more scientific. Okay? So, a research topic is factual if it's based from empirical knowledge. And empirical knowledge is considered to be more scientific. And where can we find such empirical knowledge? Okay. So, a research topic is factual if it is supported by existing RRLS. So we can find empirical knowledge in our RRLS, or the Review of Related Literature and Studies. So that is what do we mean by factual. Next, we have a research topic should be logical. Okay? A research topic should be logical. And whenever we say logical, class, it means that we can formulate conclusions through the process of reasoning. Okay? Take note of this, class. Whenever we say logical, it is the formulation of conclusions through the process of reasoning. And whenever you say reasoning class, reasoning is actually a part of the scientific attitude. Okay? Reasoning is a part of the scientific attitude. And by means of reasoning, it means that we can produce logical data. Okay? And logical data are actually data that are feasible to be understood. Okay? So that is what do we mean by logical. A research topic should be logical so that we can form conclusions based from reasoning. And these conclusions are actually feasible data that can be understood. Now, with these three factors, being observable, being factual, and being logical, we can now derive the first guideline in choosing your research topic. And that is, a research topic must be researchable. Okay? And whenever we say researchable, it means that the research topic is observable, logical, and factual. Okay? Researchable research topic are supported by evidences that are observable, logical, and factual. So that is our first guideline for you to choose a research topic. Let us have the next guideline. So we have the following images. Okay. A research topic should enable curiosity. Okay, a research topic should enable curiosity. Now, class, just like reasoning, curiosity is also a part of the scientific attitude. Okay? And this curiosity as a scientific attitude, it is necessary for us to identify solutions to our existing problems. Okay? And class, if we have curiosity, it means that you can have more motivation and more enthusiasm for you to conduct your study. Curiosity enables motivation and enthusiasm. Furthermore, having curiosity provides us with full energy. Okay? Remember, class, conducting research is a very tiring discipline. It is a very tiring activity. However, if you have curiosity, it can provide you full energy in conducting such a very tiring task. Okay? Therefore, with this inference, we can state our next guideline, which is you must choose a research topic that interests you. Okay? A researcher must have an interest in the topic he or she is choosing. So, having more interest about the subject matter means that you are knowledgeable. Okay? Having more interest means that you have more knowledge about the topic you are choosing. And the more knowledge you have about the subject matter means that the more inputs you can generate in your studies. So remember that you must choose a research topic that kindles your interest. And remember that curiosity unlocks interest. If you don't choose a research topic that interests you, it might hinder your study. Okay? It can cause such obstruction or hindrance in the conduct of your study. Okay? So that will be the first two guidelines for you to choose a research topic. So for our next video presentations, we'll proceed with the third, fourth, and fifth guideline in choosing the research topic.